Yeah, so I think businesses can get more involved with more lives by coming to these events, by participating in the day-to-day developments of the project, and also engaging with us as developers. We want to involve local content in our development. We think it's very positive for the future of the project, and the more we can rely on local partners, the less we have to rely on external partners, which is always more difficult. And we also want to build a strong relationship here, not only for the current developments but for future developments. And I think we are reachable as developers, and the Mordays team and the Mentormont team are also reachable, and I think they are very, very close and easy for suppliers to approach them.